Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy crochet adjustable bracelets. So let's get started. To make these easy bracelets, I'm working with some number 10 crochet cotton, and I have a 2.5 millimeter steel hook. And I'm going to start with a slip knot, and I'm going to crochet a chain. So you're just going to crochet a chain. Okay, I've worked a chain, and it needs to be long enough to wrap around your hand at the largest part and overlap somewhat. And don't worry if it's too long, that won't matter. And fasten off. So there's the chain. I have a needle that's going to pass in my beads like this, but if you don't, you can stiffen the ends with either some nail polish, just brush it on, or some glue. So I'm going to thread my cord into my needle, and I have a little collection of beads here, and I got a big box of beads at the dollar store, and sometimes you can find smaller ones like this as well. So now I'm going to thread my beads on, like that, and I'm going to move them all to the center of my cord, like that, and then I'm going to make a knot on each end just to hold them in place. So take the cord, make your knot, and you can slide it with your thumb. You can slide it right down where you need it. So you want that to hold that bead on. And do the same thing on the other side. And move that knot down. Like that. And I'm going to take another bead and I'm going to place it with both cords going through to make this an adjustable bracelet. So I'm going to pass this bead through. And then I'm going to thread the other end into a needle. So there's the one on the other side. So I'm going to pass this one this way. So I have one going this way and one going that way. And you want this to be snug. So I'm going to pull this through. And then I'm going to pull the other one through. And now put it over the largest part of your hand and tighten it up. And pull it snug so that you can still put your hand through like this. So that's the shortest that it can be. So now I'm just going to make another knot on each end. And trim that off. Make a knot on this one. Trim that off. And there you go. That's how you'll adjust your bracelet on your arm. You'll just pull these two ends. And now you can place this on your hand. Move it up to your wrist. And then I just usually hold my fingernail on one of the ends and then tighten up. And there you have an easy crocheted bracelet. I have another one here that I have made with just some pearls and some gold beads, and it works the same way. And I made this very dainty one using 2 strands of this metallic crochet cotton. And I just used the strands not crocheted, just straight plain like that. And that made this cute little dainty one. And these 3 were worked with 2 strands of worsted weight yarn. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.